We all want to reapply our sunscreen the easiest way, but guess what? The internet is full of creative as well as weird solution. But guess what? They are all bad. So apparently there are people out there who thought mixing foundation with a sunscreen is a good idea. No. They are even using powdered sunscreen for full protection? Absolutely no. Or even freezing their sunscreen as ice cube to get full protection. Absolutely not. Plus, I know sunscreen reapplication is the worst. Who wants to ruin their makeup? Who wants to get their hands greasy again? How are we going to carry those huge tubs of sunscreen everywhere in those tiny handbags? So I thought, why not test some weird sunscreen hacks so you don't have to? Let's test them out. First, let's try out the foundation and the sunscreen concoction. I want to see if it actually works or not. So let's go. Oh dear God, I can already feel this is going to be disastrous. It's going to look super tacky, super cakey. So here goes nothing. Oh my God, it already looks so tacky. Oh, it is going to be a disaster, you guys. I just look like a melted candle. This right here is absolutely a hell no. So cakey, so patchy, such uneven skin. No. Just no, no, no. Okay, the next hack is to use a powder sunscreen on top of my face and my makeup, and boy, look at this right here. This is a powder sunscreen. I'm just going to dust a cloud of the powder sunscreen on my face, and look at this. Why am I inhaling SPF? This can't be healthy. I just lost 5 years of my life. So this right here is absolutely no. You cannot go ahead and protect your skin just by using a powder SPF. You do have to go ahead and apply a sunscreen, a proper sunscreen. Hack 2 is again a complete fail. Now it's getting crazy because the next hack is literally freezing sunscreen into ice cubes. Yes, you heard it right. Ice cubes. Wait, this actually feels so refreshing. Oh my God. No, wait. I can't feel my face. So hack 3 is also a complete failure. Do not go ahead and torture your skin, torture your face using any of these hacks. This right here is not worth the try. So let's go ahead and try something that does not have to make reapplication of sunscreen harder and tougher. I have a solution for you guys that makes sunscreen application, reapplication on top of your makeup very easy. Let me show you. This is the Earth Rhythm Aqua Surge Cooling Face Mist, and it has SPF 50, and this is what the beautiful product looks like. I have been using it. I've taken this to the hills when I was on vacation, and boy, it made my life so easier. I used to go ahead and carry this, just carry this in front of my bag, and boy, it did help a lot. It kept my face absolutely cool and also so protected. Guys, this is the answer to all your sunscreen struggles, and trust me, it is worth every single penny. The one thing that I absolutely love about this product right here is that I literally do not have to do anything. I just go ahead and spray this on my face. There is no mess, nothing. There needs to be no blending, just pure glow. You will be left with just beautiful protected skin that just, glows throughout and looks absolutely stunning and flawless. This product actually is going to be my absolute, go-to product this summertime. It is going to be so helpful. I can just go ahead and lock this in my handbag, and that's about it. जब भी मुझे protection का ज़रूरत होगा, I can just go ahead and spray this, and that's it. So this is what I usually do. ठीक है? After you're done with your skincare and you do your makeup, and then after 2 to 3 hours you're like, अरे यार धूप बहुत बढ़ चुका है. I literally do have to go ahead and reapply my sunscreen. So you can either go for any kind of artificial powdered sunscreen, stick sunscreen, but I hate that. They just lifts my makeup and looks very tacky. So this is the easiest way that I go ahead and reapply my sunscreen without actually lifting off my makeup or doing anything bad to my makeup. So this is what I do. Okay? See, I'm wearing my makeup. This is what I do. Just go ahead and spray this all over the face and you're all protected. This right here makes sunscreen reapplication so easy. All you have to do is just spray and forget about it. So I'm definitely saying bye to those weird internet sunscreen hacks and saying hello to this very beautiful Earth Rhythm Aqua Surge Cooling Face Mist, which I absolutely love. Has made my life so much more easier. So guys, let's stop torturing our face and our skin, and let's go ahead and choose the easiest method of reapplication of sunscreen, which is this right here, because you're gonna absolutely fall in love with this. It gives you that cooling effect which we really want during this hot summery days, as well as you're also getting that sun protection. It has SPF 50. So yes, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I will put the link of the product in the description box. Do check it out, and I will see you guys very soon. Tap take care and bye bye.